welcome back to my channel. Today I am sitting here watching the snow melt outside my windows, which is really sad because I love snow. But I'm really excited to film this video. I randomly got this idea and I wanted to film it right then and there, but it was like midnight when I got this idea, so I had to wait. But today's video is Instagram story hacks to make your Instagram stories on fleek. I personally haven't seen this video done. I mean, I'm sure it's been done before because let's be real, hack videos are just a thing. But I'm really excited to be doing this because I have a lot of fun things to show you guys and talk about if you guys are interested in making your Instagram stories on fleek. So if you guys like these kind of videos, be sure you stick around, hit the subscribe button, and also hit that little bell notification so then you're notified every single time I post a video, since YouTube likes to be stubborn sometimes. Let's go ahead and start talking about hacks to make your Instagram story gorgeous. So I'm going to start off with the basics. The first one being just matching a color in your image. And so you're just going to write out whatever you want. I'm just saying, hey guys, it's me, because I'm really creative. And then you're going to hit that little teardrop thingy and you're going to match it to any color you want. This will keep your aesthetic on fleek. If you want to keep a cohesive theme, this one's super handy. It's just the background, and all you have to do is go back to that little drop and find the color you want and then hold down on it for 3 seconds and it will come up with the color you want for the background. This is one of my favorite things to do. It's kind of giving you that shadow text, and all you have to do is start writing out whatever you want. I like to leave spaces whenever I do this just because I feel like it pops more. And so I just wrote out my name, and then you copy it and then make it the background color that you want, and then you paste it again and you just put it on top of it. But you can also, do this as many times as you want and you'll get this really cool effect. Now, how to get the perfect writing. And I use this little stylus that I bought on Amazon. I'm going to put it in the description box, but it's super handy and it won't scratch your screen. And I like to make it the smallest line possible, and I just write on it. It makes it so much more smooth and better than writing with your fingertip. And then I also like to doodle hearts or stars or something like that, just because I think it looks super duper cool. I've been doing this a lot on my Insta stories recently, so I hopefully will inspire you. And you just write out each individual letter, and you put the box on it, and then you put another letter, and you put the box on it. Same thing over and over, and then you match it to a color that's in the picture, and it just looks really unique and cool, and I think it's really funky. I get so many questions on how to do this. This is one of my little secrets, and basically all you have to do is you go to the underscore and you just keep making underscores after another, and then you expand it to the size you want. I know, it's really that easy. Pick the color and then put the text in there that you want. Because Instagram doesn't allow you to write too many characters per line, you have to do several different ones, but it's still pretty cool. Honestly, I didn't even know this was a thing until a week ago, but there's a screen record feature that you can add to your little home screen, and all you have to do is literally click it, and it does a countdown of 3 seconds, and then voila, you're recording your screen. This is so handy if you have a blog or something like that. You can just add it to your story and do as you desire. The second to last handy dandy feature is a Spark Post, and this is an app that you can get in the App Store. I think it's free. It might be $2. I'm not sure, but it's really cool. You can use a bunch of different templates to kind of give yourself this own little image that moves. I don't know. And then you can export it, change the colors, all that fun stuff, fonts, you name it, you can do it. And once you export it, you can actually post it on your story, and so you kind of have that movement. I don't really use this, but I thought it would be helpful for you. And there's another app called Hype that I know a bunch of people use too. So those are all the tips, tricks, hacks if you will, for making your Instagram story on fleek. Look at this little outro, it's so cute. So that is how I do my fancy dancy Instagram stories. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure you stick around by subscribing. Let me know in the comments below if you guys will be implementing some of these hacks onto your Instagram stories. Until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Thank you for watching. Bye!